G'day! In today's video I'm going to unbox a Biwin NV3500. Biwin is a new brand. I can't really say I've heard too much about them, but their warranty does seem to be decent, still at 5 years. This particular one has a read-write speed of 3500 megabytes, read speed, write speed at 3000, so it's not bad. PCI 3 Gen 3x4, and I'm assuming this is going to be a very much a no-frills SSD. Probably wouldn't surprise, well, I wouldn't expect a cooler in there, seeing these are dead budget. What do we get? Slightly more than I thought. Beginner's guide. What do we have? We have a toolkit. If I can get that out. Interesting. Just unscrew. There we go, one teeny tiny screw, and then on the other side we have a hex one, so if you need to move the mounting screw on your motherboard you can use that. We unscrew it, now you've got the screwdriver to do the screw. Sadly this is not magnetized. It does include a screw. Some of the times I see that it's simply not included, they're expected to be in the motherboard, so it is a nice little inclusion. Then we have the drive itself. It's really nothing special whatsoever. So there we go, we have the Biwin NV3500, just a basic SSD, a little screwdriver kit that may be useful to you. Bye.